A match you've never seen before. A refrigerator and a stars member taking on the zombie apocalypse. All with uncomfortable music, I guess. I don't know. Wait for me! Ah! Get off me! Take that! I got your back, Jill! No, Jill, you're being munched on! Get off that sandwich! Ah! Bad zombies! Let loose the melon! Ah! It didn't come out! Curse you, zombies! Yes, that's right! Get them, my melon! Ah! My melon has betrayed me! Ouch! My melon has become cannibal! Or meat-eating, I don't know the word! Infected! Let's go with that! Take that! Eat your hearts out, Mugenweens! Yes, it's funny! Don't actually do it though. Jill, no! You stupid bird! I'm sorry, Jill! Run! Yeah, I can do this! I can do it! Take that! Wait, why am I turning around? Yes! I knew the fridge door would do something useful! Or the freezer door. I don't know which! Go forth! Hey, I hit a dog. Awesome. I'm doing it! I'm doing it for us, Jill! Jill, help! Your refrigerator's under attack! No, you fools! You shall not take our lives! Well, hers, mainly. I'm a refrigerator. I just live. Ouch! Curse you, fridge! Why are you so slow? Get off me! Bad zombies! That's right, I let the melon out. Yes! We have a problem over here, Jill. Jill, Nemesis! Get rid of him! Oh, crud! Ouch! Stupid Nemesis dudes! Take that! That's right, use the rocket launcher! Jill! I can live! Maybe not! Ouch! Oh, it's not fair! Oh! At least I defeated one! Oh. Did you see that, Jill? Oh no. No! No! Get away from the melon! That's right, zombies, you are finished! Ouch! Get off me! Ah! Curse you, fridge! Why can't you turn around? Do it, Jill! Do it! Use that rocket launcher! Well, never mind. The bird messed you up. I'll do it! I'll take care of Nemesis. You keep fighting them. Of course I'm fine. I'm a fridge. Curses! Ouch! Come on out, Melon. I need you. Ouch! I know I can beat you. Yeah, take that. Ouch! Wait, are you guys hurting each other? You are. That's right. Zombies do not know teamwork. I did it for us, Jill. We won. Well, I hope you all enjoyed. See you next time.